Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're on the new homestead. We're cleaning up today. We finally got a couple days of nice weather. It's been raining non-stop for the last week or so, but it's beautiful today. We're just cleaning up the chicken coop, cleaning up around the house. There's a lot of garbage around here, so we just want to clean it up and make it our own. Paul was taking care of a tree over there that was kind of growing up around the coop, so we used the Kubota to kind of take that out and dump it off in the forest. But yeah, look at how beautiful it is. The weather's nice, it's spring. Unfortunately, I won't have a good garden this year, but I'll try to show you guys the container gardening I'm going to do. The baby poults will be in soon, another month or so, and we'll have a baby poults for our little hen to raise. It's coming along, guys. Just watch our journey, okay? You can hear the turkey and chickens want to get out, but we put the fence posts in right now. We put in about, I'd say, 16 posts, and we have some goat fencing we're going to put up, and that'll be our chicken coop. Okay, the coop is coming along. We just finished nailing some of the fence hooks here to these posts along the bottom, just as a little bit extra security. And we're actually going to bring the tractor. Around now and just push a bunch of dirt up all over these posts, so it's a little bit extra security from the bottom for any digging animals. It's coming around though, eh? Look at this. Beautiful. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, look at that out there. Come on, come down. Okay. So we got the run open for the chickens. They're just gonna figure their way out. We have a little bit more work to do, but at least now it's closed up and the chickens can come wander. Oh, who's gonna be the brave soul?
Come on, girls. Come on. Little brown one's gonna come first.
Yep. Oh yeah, there she goes.
Hey, baby girl. Hey, girl.
She's always the first to venture. Awesome. That's the food.
There you go. Hey, babies.
Ouch. Oh, they're beautiful. We should go look at them. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it's getting a little darker. There we go. Yeah, that's right, girl. Okay, so we got a lot of the coop done. As you can see, the posts are put in, the fencing's on. We have a border put up. Paul got these cedar posts and also some other wood that we found around the homestead.
Bury them in rocks.
And then he took the front end loader and he pushed up all of this soil and rock and everything just to make it a little harder for the digging creatures.
Run the electric wire around the outside.
Yeah.
Right?
We're thinking of adding pigs onto this side, but for now we had to get something put up for the chickens.
Those trees.
Everything's just blossoming. It's spring. Like I said, we had to quickly get this coop up, so Paul and I got it done probably within a day and a half, and we still gotta put a proper door on. But for now, the chickens can come out, as you can see here. Oops, sorry. They're enjoying. There's the hen over there. Hey, girl.
There's two over there.
And the two other girls over here. We have more birds on the way, about 20 turkeys and 30 meat birds, so we gotta have a lot of space. I'll show you guys those updates. For now, we just wanted to show you the coop. So we got the chicken coop door put on.
Yeah, I gotta get a chain hooked into here, run it to the top of this, and make sure it's tight so that this door doesn't sag down as you open it farther. But until I do that, it's going to work for us now. We gotta get a proper latch.
Yeah, we're gonna get a proper latch for that, but
And a handle.
it's just built. Look at that, eh? So just some, you know, just little minor adjustments.
Yeah, so it doesn't sag.
Yeah, but look at that. The door's open. And this is their new run. It's pretty big because we're going to split it in half. And we'll do one for meat birds and one for the chickens and turkeys because we got a bunch of turkeys coming in. That's just like a little box for them to go run and hide in if they don't feel safe. We're going to fix it up, put some bedding in there. Like a little nesting box, outdoor one.
And for some cover.
Yeah, just cover. Yeah, you can see we have some garbage here, but again, when we got this property, we had to do a lot of clearing, so we're gonna have to manage that garbage, but it'll definitely come in due time. Here's the chickens. The little doors on for now. It's our little makeshift door. That little. But yeah, it's coming along. It's not there yet, but I'd say we got a good chunk done. Stay tuned, guys. I'll show you how it goes. It's been raining almost non-stop for the last 2 weeks that we've been here, so we finally got some beautiful days and we're taking advantage of it. We're coming outside, we're gonna clean up. There's a lot of stuff to do, so you know, Rome wasn't built in a day, but we're gonna take you guys along on our journey. It's just so gorgeous out here right now. Love it here. And you guys got to follow along because we got a lot more things we're going to be getting done. So thanks for following, like, subscribe. We got tons more planned for you guys. Just stick around. We got 155 acres, lots of trouble and lots of things we can get into. So stay tuned, keep watching. Thanks for subscribing and like the video. See you next time, guys.